And so today we're going to attempt to replace this with a new one. A lot of people try to yank this out and force the new one in, and I don't do that. It's advised not to do that because you might scratch your paint and your fender around here where you're trying to force the new antenna base going in. So the proper way, which is the correct way, is to remove these clips right here. I'm not sure if you can see it. So you have to remove them with two of these flatheads, right? So let's get to it. And just be gentle with it, right? So just be gentle with it. You will get them out. So if you can see, the clips are secure this way. So what you want to do is pry in between the washer and push this in, right? Push this in a bit from both sides, and then you'll be able to just yank them out. I'm gonna pause the video because it's gonna be a while for me to get all of this out. So I don't want you to stick around and see me do all of that. So I'm pausing the video right now. All right, so I decided not to get all of these clips out. I only removed the outer ones. So there were about 5 of them, right? And then I pulled the lip down for a little bit, and that gave me access. And I don't know if you can see it. There's a screw up here. Right there. Not sure you can see it with the camera angle, but there's a screw up there that you can release, and you use a number 10 socket, right? I have this swivel, so it really helps me to reach the odd angle of the screw, of a nut. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna loosen that nut and then lower the antenna. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's do this again. I'm gonna do it with both hands. One hand leading in so that I can find that nut. Okay, got it. Right, it's actually a bolt. I thought it was a nut. Okay. And now I will unscrew the top. Okay, got that out. Lower this part out. So this right here is really the base of the antenna that the antenna goes into, right? So now I can remove this. Okay. And then I got this on eBay for about $10 with tax. Okay. Now with this thing out from the hole, and you can see I have some scratch mark from the last time that I tried to force it in with this being inside. And it was hard because it was preventing me from squeezing this new base into the opening here, right? So you don't want to do and make the same mistake I did, right? Don't try to leave this in and force a new grommet into it. Take this out first. So now with room to maneuver, I can put the new one in, right? Goes in fairly easy, right? And then reverse the process. I'm gonna pause the video so that I can screw the top in. I'm gonna put this back, but I don't know if you can see it. When you put this back, there's a groove you need to fit this into, okay? And because there are two holes on the fender, make sure this get latched into one hole, leaving you the other hole so that you can screw your nut back into. All right, so I'm gonna put this back. So you're not gonna be able to see this, but I'm gonna handle it and I'm gonna pause the video. Right there, okay. See if you can see it. Okay, got that in. So now that I got that back in, now I'm just gonna screw back the antenna. And then snap back all of these. and you should be done with it. Okay.